What's up, guys? Today's job, I'm going to be doing some lot clearing, maybe I call it land clearing. You got this 50 by 50 area here. I'm going to be using my Kubota mini excavator and my Bobcat T66. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling out all these little trees back here. I got a dumpster coming for this wood and stuff. It's a lot of pressure treated. So I'm going to use the mini excavator to dig up all these little trees. There's a bigger tree back there we might cut down with the chainsaw. And then I'm going to use the Bobcat to grade out. There's some garbage on here, but it's mainly dirt. I'm going to grade this whole area out. We're going to get it nice and flat so they can put down two shipping containers. Well, let's get started. Many benefits of having an external fuel tank. You can fill up the equipment right on site. Alright, our can delivered. Our dumpster's here. Gonna have this guy just drop it right in the back by the dirt pile. Taking up a bunch of dead space. Oh, someone's laundry detergent's in there still. Careful, almost scratched the paint on that. That's a brand new dumpster. All right, it's starting to come along. What a mess though, man. There is so much garbage mixed in back here. You see this dirt? Even this pile over here. Once we get it graded out, there's probably going to be a lot of hand picking up the pieces that we couldn't get out with the machines. It's starting to look pretty good. Because I'm getting ready to get back in here with the excavator and tear out those couple little trees that are over there and start knocking some posts down. rid of some of this brush. Check out that nipper he has on the machine over there. Sweet. I think that's the same one they use to break up the concrete. Keep going. Perfect. Look at that. I'm going to see if I can get this tree down. Hopefully I can do it without tearing that fence up. I think it's pretty dead, so as long as it doesn't try to completely pull out. Famous last words, it's pretty dead. Get it over to the trailer. So that tree was a little big to get over the wall with the mini excavator by itself. So good thing Corey came over with the Bobcat, because I would have probably ended up bending the wall or doing something crazy like that. But that one's in there. finish up, starting to load up now. That bucket that he has there is a little bit big. It's 78, and this is only 80. Let's see. There she is. It's a little steep getting up those ramps. So here's the finished product, guys. This was quite a mess. It wasn't just because the dirt and the brush, that was the easy part. The problem was all the garbage mixed in. And there's still some little pieces scattered out. We got most of it. We filled up this 10-yard container, sorry about the sun, with a bunch of miscellaneous junk, cinder blocks, some pressure treated wood, and then a whole bunch of random garbage. And we cut down, we had 2 trees. There's one there, then one over here, and I only got the beginning part of that one when I was hooking a chain up when I was in the Bobcat bucket. But then for whatever reason the GoPro just stopped recording. Well, thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already.